One of the programs that I am most excited about with Dental Sleep Profits in our book of services that we offer is our Jumpstart program. And this is for sleep dentists who are delivering less than 3 appliances per month. The reason I'm so excited about it is because part of that program is us helping you get connected with key partnerships. And in dental sleep medicine, it's obviously a small community, but there are vendors and service providers that stand above the rest. And one of the things that I'm very proud of as a business owner, as just a company and culture as a whole, is that we don't have any strategic partnerships that we've created because we don't want any bias when we are referring our clients out to other vendors. So what we do, we simply connect our clients with the vendors and partners that are already working well for our entire client base. So that you can trust when we make a recommendation. We have no financial incentive. Really important. Find partners in dental sleep medicine that you can trust.